everyone. We will talk about the urban regeneration today. Throughout this course, we review the basics of urban planning. But today we will focus on the Cheonggyecheon restoration. So today's topic is Cheonggyecheon restoration and urban regeneration. We will go over background and overview and the motivation for regeneration and how to plan, how to make it happen in terms of technological perspective, and we will see what we achieved. So the first one is we need to explain some little bit of background of where the Cheonggyecheon is located and its geographic characteristics. The black box area, that's the downtown area. That's the old town area too. The downtown area is above the Han River. And there are three major urban centers in Seoul. The upper one is the downtown area and old town area. And the southwestern part, there is Yeouido, the sub-center. And east-south area, that's the Gangnam area, new developed the urban centers. The Cheonggyecheon is located the heart of, in the center of the downtown area. Downtown area is established in the 1392 as the Joseon Dynasty was established. So you can see in the upper part there is the major palaces, and you can see the Cheonggyecheon in the middle. And the surrounding area, there are lots of the residents living there. Especially the Cheonggyecheon is the major source of the water, and also it is a major convergence of all the branches within the downtown area. You can see there are 28 branches. So all the small streams and branches come to the Cheonggyecheon, and Cheonggyecheon come down to the Han River area. From this picture, you can see the characteristics of the Cheonggyecheon. Cheonggyecheon is the lowest point of this downtown area, which means when the rain falls, all the rains and the water comes to the Cheonggyecheon area. So throughout the history, the major big challenge of Cheonggyecheon area was flooding. That we will talk a little bit detail in the later part. We will see the life aspect of the Cheonggyecheon. This is the Cheonggyecheon area. And as you see, the Cheonggyecheon was one of major source of the water for drinking or washing, sometimes the playground for kids. You can see the living area. But as the more population is coming to the Seoul area, you can see more slum area is developing around the Cheonggyecheon area. Especially, this is one of the iconic picture about the 1960s, the situation of life. In the middle, it is the common toilet, because this is the slum area. There is no infrastructure or drinking water or toilet or sewer system or even electricity. Nothing was there. So in the middle, they used a common toilet and without any treatment system. So the Cheonggyecheon suffer from the heavy pollution problem. And you can see another picture. They use the water, washing, clean, bath, but the wastewater come down to the Cheonggyecheon directly. So it generates again and again a bigger problem. So the countermeasure to solve the wastewater problems and pollution sanitation problem, the government decided to cover the area and turn the Cheonggyecheon area into the major the sewer trunk system. And also there is another need for the road for. So in this case, we will build the road on top of the Cheonggyecheon area. So underneath, we use that area for the major sewer pipeline. And above, we will use for the transportation. Even further, the government built elevated highway because that time we experienced heavy congestion problems. There is a high demand of the transportation. So on top of the Cheonggyecheon area, we built elevated highway. So it became a major artery to and from the downtown area. It functioned that way. So you can, in this picture, you cannot see the sewer system, but it's running underneath the road system. And above, you can see more than about the 20 lanes of the car transportation. So throughout the history, you can see the change of Cheonggyecheon up until 1900. The major challenge of the downtown area with the Cheonggyecheon was the flood. So the major function of the Cheonggyecheon is drainage. When the rain falls, especially the heavy rain falls, the water efficiently goes out to the Han River. But after 1900, there is a big concern about the pollution, the sanitation issues, and also the epidemic disease issues. So we turned that area into the sewer system and wastewater treatment system. And on top of the sewer, we built a road, even elevated highway. So that public spaces has been used as the major transportation artery up until around the 2000. In the year 2000, there is a big paradigm shift from efficient city to more ecological city. So the Seoul city wants to bring more the ecological environment, human-oriented environment into the city. So there was a big decision about restoring the Cheonggyecheon in the downtown area. So this process we can call is a creative destruction or creative recreation of public space. It was a natural stream and major drainage function and the sewer and road. Nowadays it's a green way, the pedestrian way to link the city area. And today we will specifically talk about the restoration process and the plan and technology.